What's up, you guys? You already know. Tyler Chugg's coming back at you once again. Third time today, third video. You already know. I'm just a little bored, so I need something to do. So, somebody said do whatever I want. Oops. Chicken noodle soup. Oops. Know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to brush my teeth. And then, brush my teeth and then drink orange juice, brothers. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is going to be nasty as fuck. So here's what I'm going to do. Got my little straw here. Should I? Ooh. Once you go back, whenever you stick it in that thing, you cannot go back. So I'm not doing that unless I have another straw. I don't have another straw. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. I'm good. Alright, you guys enjoyed. Fuck, I'm never doing that again.